Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So in this video, we're going to be looking at 4 indices: NASDAQ, US30, GER30, and S&P500. And yeah, thanks guys for subscribing. Thanks for the like and thanks for the comments. So let's get to the video, and I won't be wasting too much time on this. Okay, so we are looking at NASDAQ to come to this area, right? So when NASDAQ get there, we are waiting for NASDAQ to give us a sign if we are continuing to push the downside, because the overall direction on NASDAQ is bearish. So if we get a sign to sell this market, that's going to be a high probability sell trade to take when price gets to this area. But if we do break this area, what we are expecting now is going to be for NASDAQ to come back, at least give us a sign, get another opportunity to buy until we get here, which is going to be our TP1, and then this is going to be our TP2, and that's simple as that. So this is what we're expecting on NASDAQ. Just wait for price to get here, and then wait for price to give you a sign. Either we're breaking or we continuing with this bearish market, right? So let's move on to the next one. So our next one is US30. US30, same thing. I'm also waiting for US30 to come push to this area here, right? So let's see what US30 is going to do here. If we do get signs to sell this market, we are going to sell this market because it's bearish. But then if we do break these areas and break these highs, what we can expect is for the same setup that we get on NASDAQ is for the price to come back, give us a sign, and then we can continue buying NASDAQ, US30 until here, which is going to be our TP1, and then here, which is going to be our TP2, right? So that's going to be it for US30. And now let's go to the next one. So before I continue with GER30, thanks. I just want to thank you guys for the support of watching our videos and liking our videos. We're going to continue posting, right? But looking at the stats, 94% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So thanks for the subscribe and thanks for the like. Okay, cool. Let's get back to the video. So now, GER30, I'm looking at the same setup, right? Looking at the same setup, as you guys can see that, yes, we did break this. There's support here, and then we came in and retest our support. Now, what we're currently looking at, GER30 to see if what's going to happen here. This is going to be the same setup that I showed you guys on US30 and NASDAQ, right? So if price start giving us signs to sell this market, we are going to sell this market because the overall direction is bearish, right? But then if we do break to the upside, we are going to wait for the same thing where price is going to push up, Where price is going to push up, give us a sign, and then we buy the market. Make sure that you pay attention to this area when you're holding your trades, and then you can have your TP2 around these areas. And then if you're a swing trader, then you can just hold until this area is there and see how the market goes, right? And also remember, the market will just push up to the upside and then give you a sign to buy. There's going to be a lot of things happening in the market. Just be there, be able to identify your confirmation before you can enter, right? So now let's move on to the next one. Whew, my favorite, S&P 500. Right, S&P 500 waiting for the same setup, right? So by now you guys should have an idea of what we expect. So we're waiting for what? For market to come and react. If we do get signs of a sell, we are going to sell this market. Why? Because we're in a bearish market. Secondly, if the price breaks to the upside, we are going to wait for a sign for the price to give us a buy opportunity where we're going to buy this indices to this area, which is going to be our TP1, and this is going to be our TP2. So that's it for this week, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestion on what you guys want to see on the channel, you can just comment below in the comments. And lastly, thanks for subscribing. Cheers.